Ngiyanibingelela babukeli emakhaya. Umuntu okhulumayo la uGwen Thwabala Mthethwa. Nginekhaya Rustenburg Northwest, nginekhaya eSpruitview eGauteng. Ngifuna ukukhuluma nje ngami ukuthi kuye kwenze ukuthi ngaphila kabuhlungu. Ngizosho ukuthi kabuhlungu ngoba angikholwa ukuthi ukhona umuntu emhlabeni oke waphila ngamanzi. Njengami mina ngike ngahlupheka ukuthi ngiphile ngamanzi. So njengoba ningibona nje ngifuna ukuthi nginichazele ukuthi ezinye izinto ziyenzeka and ezinye izinto uNkulunkulu uyazivumela. Uma ningibhekisisa amehlo wami awalingani. I-stroke singishaye kayi-4. Ukushaywa i-stroke abodokotela abakholwa namanje. I don't think ukhona umuntu omaziyo oyisihlobo sakho oshaywe i-stroke kayi-4 ophilayo njengami. Mina ukushaya kwami i-stroke okokuqala ngangiya nje edrobheni. Ngaleso sikhathi leso ngangisahlala ekhaya ngingakashadi. Ngase ngishadile sengidivosile ngabuyela ekhaya. Niyazi ke uma divorce ubuyela kini. So nami ngabuyela ekhaya ngizama impilo and then ngahamba ngaya edrobheni. Kusho ukuthi la bengizama khona ngisebenza khona. So etaxini ngathola ukuthi omunye usisi engangihlela eduze kwami ngoba ngangekho awe mina ngangazi nje ngiphethwe ikhanda. Usisi wathi kimi, "Hawu sisi kwenze njani? Ushaywa i-stroke yini?" Ngathi mina, "Hayi angishaywa i-stroke." Usho kanjani? Wathi, "Ngibona iside yakho le enye iyadikiza kakhulu yabona." So angizange ngiyinake leyo nto le. Uma ngifika e-ofisini bathe ofisini, "Hawu ushaywa i-stroke, siyakuthatha sikisa kadokotela." Bangisa kadokotela, udokotela wathi, "Hayi awusiyona i-case yami wena, uyi-case yesibhedlela." Because bengisaba ukuthi ngisuke nje lapho nalabantu labo engisebenza nabo ngiye esibhedlela. Ngabuyela ekhaya. Uma ngifika ekhaya emnyango ngafike ngawa emnyango. Hawu kanti sekuyiso-ke i-stroke. Bangiphuthumisa-ke esibhedlela. Abantu abanye-ke bashona-ke, mina kuNkulunkulu wangisindisa-ke. Ngabonga-ke ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungisindisile. Ngahlala esibhedlela. Uma ngisuka esibhedlela benginomama engasho ukuthi bekangi-adoptile weBhunu, uDija. UDija wangilanda wangithatha wathi akumelanga ukuthi ngiye ngibhekane nabantu ngoba kuzongi-affecta ukuthi i-healing yami ingabi ngespeed. Wangithatha wangihlalisa kwakhe ku-guest house. So ngiyambonga kakhulu ngoba ngaleso sikhathi leso ikhanda lami belingathathi kahle. Namhlanje bengikhumbula izinto, kusasa angisakhumbuli ukuthi konje ngubani, angikhumbuli nokuthi konje nginabo abantwana. Hey i-stroke siyenye into yes. Hayi siyenye into yes. So manje yena bekakholelwa kuNkulunkulu kakhulu, beka umzalwane. Athanda ukungifundela iBhayibheli. Hey yazi nje, sometimes bengibona ukuthi nje yazini uyangibhora ngoba uyazazi into zeBhayibheli nje. Bengiye esontweni enkonzweni ekhaya khona osindisiwe umntana omncane but nje hayi uyabona nje lezo zinto bezingahlangani nje for nami nje. So ke angifundela iBhayibheli. Ngelinye ilanga le wangifundela enye incwadi, i-Fourth Dimension. I-Fourth Dimension iyona yashintsha impilo yami. Yayishintsha impilo yami leyo ncwadi leyo. Yangifundisa izinto eziningi ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona. So ngakhona ukubuyela kuma-senses wami noma bengakabuyeli kahle hle. And then kwadingeka ukuthi manje ngihambe ngiye ekhaya. Nasekhaya uzubona ukuthi ikhanda lami belingakabi right. Bebengathi kimi uma umuntu ezongibona umlomo wami bowutshekile, ihlo leli belilengela ngaphandle, umlomo wami bowutshekile. So bengamelanga ukuthi like ngihleke ngoba mangihleka bengitsheka kakhulu, bengi-deformed ebusweni. So bengithi mangihleka mhlambe umntanami u-adorable uzothi kimi ngingahleki ngitshekile. So once nje washo kanjalo mina sengiyathutha impahla zami, sengiyaphuma ngiyahamba ngazi nokuthi ngiyaphi. Uma ngifika lapho mhlambe ngifika late, bathi kimi, "Hawu wafika late kangaka, wasivakashela late kangaka Manthadi." And then sengiyakwata futhi sengiyahamba sengiya kwenye indawo kusho ukuthi lapho ikhanda lami belingasebenzi kahle. So abantu abaningi futhi abashaya i-stroke ngicela nibabekezelele kakhulu ngoba basuke bangazenzi. omunye uba nenhliziyo encane omunye abe nenhliziyo right. So yila ngabona khona ukuthi le ncwadi le yenza ukuthi ngithathe uJesu njengomsindiso the fourth dimension yaka Dr. Cho. So ngashintsha-ke ngaba umzalwane and then ngacela uNkulunkulu ukuthi angenze ubuso bami bubuyele kahle ngoba bengine-stress ukuthi mangihambe emgwaqeni abantu bebangibuza bathi ngitshekile ebusweni kwasha kwacima ini. So ngifuna ukuthi abantu babe strong. Ezinye izinto uNkulunkulu uyazivumela ngiyangibona khona manje ngi-right and ngaba right. Ngaphinde ngashaywa i-stroke. I-stroke esangenza ukuthi ngingaboni emehlweni total. Like ngithi ngibhekile kodwa ngibe ngingaboni. Ngidrivelwe, ngibanjwe ngesandla, umfana wami uSiphesihle kube uyena ongidonsayo, ongidrivelayo. Bekunzima ngoba bengekho into engizoyenza ngendaba ye-stroke. So-ke ngaphinde futhi ngabona, uzubona ukuthi uNkulunkulu nalapho bekangithanda kakhulu. And then ngaphinde futhi ngashaywa i-stroke. Hayi i-stroke lesi sangithanda. And then ngaphinde ngashaywa i-stroke futhi nakhona sengumzalwane but ngizibuza ukuthi why ngishaywa i-stroke and then ngaphinde futhi ngaba right. Kukhona la bengishaywe khona i-stroke uthola ukuthi angikhona ukukhuluma kahle. Umlomo wami ungabi right, ingakhona ukukhuluma kahle, ilimi ngathi liyagoqeka. Ngiyambonga futhi uNkulunkulu ukuthi khona manje ngiyakhona ukukhuluma noma sometimes uma ngine-stress ngoba akekho umuntu ongabi ne-stress emhlabeni. Uma ngine-stress yila khona ukuthi ngiyabonakala kakhulu-ke uma ngine-stress. So ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu ngaloko futhi. And ngiyabacela abantu futhi ukuthi uma usothekile ubuso wenze sure ukuthi udla ama-carrots ahlaza every day ngoba nami into enye futhi eyanginceda futhi. And then isiyanceda ngoba umlomo wakho usuke ungekho right, ungakhona ukuhlafuna, usebenzisi nelinye i-side. So-ke ngifuna ukukhuluma ukuthi kukhona la kwahamba khona kwathola ukuthi sengiyahlupheka. Ngihlupheka ngendlela yokuthi mina nomndeni wami eSpruitview siphila ngamanzi. Uma siphila ngamanzi ngaya enkonzweni ekhona laphana eSpruitview ngafike nganikela nge-R10 enganginayo ngendlela nje ebesixakeke ngayo. And ngiyayithanda lento le ukuthi even noma besiphuza amanzi bengathi into enormal. Uke wabona? Yeah, ukuthi ukuhlupheka kukufaka ukuthi nje niphile ngamanzi and kubhlungu abantwana bakho bafundile and then but imisebenzi ayikho kodwa nje yeah. So kuleyo nkonzo leyo ngaba ne-problem ukuthi ngithole i-voice yokuthi nginikele ngemali enkulu kakhulu kodwa ngingenayo imali. Kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu bekangibekile ngoba esangigcinile namanje for i-purpose ethile nokuthi ngikhone ukunceda abantu abanenkinga abangasebenzi, ngibancede, ngibakhanselishe, ngiye nasenkonzweni ngibabonise ukuthi uma bethembakala kuNkulunkulu izinto zizoba right. So mina nginikezana mahala uku-advise abantu nokubanceda kule nkinga abanazo nje ukuthi babe right, abantu bakhona ukuphila ngendlela e-right. So nami khona manje ngi-right, umqondo wami uyasebenza, ngiyabona, bengifaka ama-specs angisawafaki khona manje nje. So nje emasontweni bayangibhukha ukuthi ngize ngizokhuluma nabantu free, angiba-charge amasonto and ngihamba ngemali yami ngibancede ngoba angifuni abantu kutholakala ukuthi abantu sebaba mentally disturbed, abantu sebeshaywa yi-stroke ngoba i-stroke ama-heart attack. So ngifuna ukuthi abantu baphile bahambe ngalesikhathi lesi uNkulunkulu azobathatha ngaso.
Okay. Hey, it's a touching story. 4 strokes.
Yes, 4 strokes.
The first one bowuguphi, maybe do you remember?
I-first one bengiye emsebenzini ngisetaxini and then mangibuyele ekhaya ngishayisa and then ilanga ngafike ngawa khona eminyango bangithatha bangisa eJoburg Hospital.
Oh, so i-stroke akusinto engathi yenzeka manje iyakhona ukudonsa.
Yes, yeah. Ngoba ngakhona ukugibela i-taxi ngizihambele ngedwa.
And then mawufika esibhedlela
kwatholakala ukuthi nginama clots kuyi-brain. kwatholakala ukuthi
Oh.
nginama-clots kwi-brain. Yes.
Okay.
Iwona eyenze ukuthi ngibe ne-stroke and bathi uma multiplier ila uhlanya khona umuntu utholakala ukuthi useyagula ngekhanda. Fana noma uthola i-accident walimala ekhanda ugcina uhlanya.
The second one bokuphi?
The second one ngangise Ladysmith ngishaywa i-stroke khona. Yeah, ngavuka ngashaywa i-stroke ngangabona. Ngangisemnambithi umama uzalwe eMnambithi.
Aw bokwenzakalani maybe lapho?
Lapho ngangiphethe kusho ukuthi i-stroke uma sizongishaya ngivele ngiphathwe ikhanda. And then bese ke ngiba ne-problem. So ngathi mangivuka nje ngathi ngabiza abantwana ngathi yazi angiboni. Bathi hayi mama uyabona ngathi angiboni bayenza izinto like ngathi angiboni lutho. Kwakutholakala kufanele ngihambe ngiye ku-doctor ke. And then uma ngiya ku-doctor u-doctor wabona ukuthi angiboni and then wathi bathi uzonginikeza ama-specs wangifaka ama-specs but still bengaboni nangalawo ama-specs layo bengaboni. Yeah.
The third one?
The third one bengise Sprayed View. Yes. Izinto ziyenzeka yes. Nakhona futhi ngashaya i-stroke and then la bengakhona kahle ukukhuluma kahle and then but ngagcina futhi sengikhona futhi ukukhuluma. The last one ke abantu abase-Rustenburg bayazi ke. E-Rustenburg ngivele nje ngavuka ekseni nje normally and then ngazizwa ngikhathele ngalala and then the following day ngavuka ngekho right.
Sorry man.
Yeah.
Sorry man.
And then ngaya ku-doctor. Doctor wangichecka washo ukuthi ngine-stroke wababaza ukuthi hawu i-stroke ses4 and then kwahamba kwayothathwa amagazi abuya a-right like ngabonisi ukuthi akubonisi kakhulu i-problem ukuthi kuphi and then i-brain scan yami i-right mina ngazi but mina uma ngisicheckela ngokwami ngibona ngathi nayo i-overworking iya-contributor kwi-stroke. Yeah, njengalesokugcina lesi nje. Yeah, and lesokugcina besenza ukuthi like kuphume inyembezi. Ziziphumele nje. Yeah, angazi ukuthi ngayichaza ngithini like inyembezi iphume nje igeleze. Yeah, and then lesokugcina ke i-stroke and then kwathola kufanele ngihlale endlini nje ngihlale until ngiba right banginikeza amaphilisi. Yeah.
So
mina ngibelevela kakhulu ku inner healing futhi ukuthi like uthandaze. Yeah, umthandazo yeah.
Okay, so wonke ama-strokes akhona would you say i-result or the cause yakhona bokuyi-overworking?
Yeah, lo sokuqala kwangasi-overwork ilesi sokugcina engathi mina engicabangayo ukuthi mhlambe i-overworking. Ukuthi ukuthi like sometimes angiziniki isikhathi sokuphumula. Ngithanda ukusebenza kakhulu and ngithanda ukusebenzisa kakhulu ingqondo. Ingqondo phela yiyo eyenza ukuthi umuntu agcina ngasakhona ukucabanga kahle.
Okay, so the first one bekwama-blood clots and then
sekusiqala bekwama-blood clots.
Yeah, second one azange bakunike i-reason maybe.
Abazange banginike i-reason esibhedlela yeah.
Okay. So overworking why ucabanga ukuthi you are overworking?
Yeah, ngoba ngiyathanda nje ukusebenza, ngiyathanda ukunceda abantu njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngiyahamba bayangibiza emasontweni ngikhanselisha abantu ngikhulume nabantu ngibachazele ngezinto zokuvikela ukuthi nje abantu bangabi ne-stroke bangabi nezinto eziningi. Yeah.
Okay. So are you able to take us back to a time uthi use-Sprayed View? E-Sprayed View first lindawo enjani?
Sprayed View it's a suburb Sprayed View.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a suburb Sprayed View. Like abanye abantu uthola ukuthi awumazi umakhelwane wakho or abantu abaningi awubazi. Sprayed View asifani nelokishi. Lokishini uyakwazi ukuthi uye kumakhelwane uthi ngicela iti, ngicela impuphu. Yeah, Sprayed View asindawo ungaya kumakhelwane uthi uyocela. Hayi ukuthi abantu bakhona abekho friendly. They are so friendly but nje asikuthi uyelapha ngoba wazi ukuthi ungakhona ukuzithengela igrocery. Hayi ukuthi uyohluphana nabantu. Ayenziwa leyo nto leyo.
And why was it ukuthi maybe you were in a suburb and you were at that point where manje beseni kuleyo situation leyo at the time
kusho ukuthi abantwana bami bebengasasebenzi ba retrench bebasebenza ba retrenchwa and then nami bengisebenza ikhampani lengangisebenza yabuyela emuva phesheya yeah kwabanzima ke sasithola kunzima ene njoba ngisho ukuthi iqala bengi right financially ene noma ucela kuma families are right ama family bazositshela ukuthi udlala ngabo you understand uma bekwazi once nje waba nemali noma ungesena imali abantu bazokwazi ukuthi unemali noma ungasena imali mina bengikweleta ibank imali enkulu engengisho but abantu uma bacela imali bakutshela ukuthi wena unemali eningi ngabe wena unemali eningi ngabe wena ngalesikhathi leso awunamali and abeze ukuzobona ukuthi ngempela awunayo yini imali you understand so Wonke abathathe ngibacela imali bebenganginikeza akekho umuntu obekanginikeza imali yeah umuntu obekanginikeza imali ukuthi washona usisi wami bekanginikeza imali ke usisi Ivone bengumcela ngithi sisi wami ngicela imali angibuza ukuthi malini akunikeze leyo mali exactly leyo icelayo uyo bekanginikeza imali otherwise abanye abantu bebenaleyo ngqondo leyo ukuthi nje ngisese rich ngisese right financially yeah
and it said ukuthi vele la mawune mali if yonke into ihamba kahle
yes
you are everyone's favorite person
yeah
what happens when you at your lowest vele kula abantu kuba leyo case level vele ukuthi leyo attraction kuwa ayisekho
yeah
and
bangakholelwa so yeah and ngifuna ukusho kubantu abanemali ukuthi it's very important ukuthi futhi uma unemali ucabanga ukuthi imali iyaphela yeah imali iyaphela ngifuna ukunikhohlisa imali iyaphela ungahola imali engakanani imali iyaphela so abantu abazibekela imali like uinvest endaweni eziright ukuthi even noma kungenzeka ukuthi ungabi nemali wazi ukuthi kodwa uzokhona ukuphila isikhathi eside ngoba once waba nemali uma ungenayo imali inkinga ngifuna ukunikhohlisa inkinga enkulu kunzima ukuthi like uphile impilo ongayijwayelanga yeah uphile impilo ongayijwayelanga hayi kunzima
and family are so close ne family since and friends family and friends because angithi uzasho ukuthi you are asking for help from abantu abakanje nakanje then
yeah ifamily asekhaya si very close abantu abaningi bayasikhalela but bebecabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe mangithi anginamali bebecabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngiyadlala yeah bebecabanga ukuthi ngiyadlala hayi ukuthi bebengenayo bebenayo but bebetshela ukuthi nje futhi bebesho bathi udlala ka rona na man side una litšhelete engatahampi itletse di bank basathi bore akusana tšhelete yeah even sometimes noma ngikhuluma yabona kusho ukuthi mhlambe bebengezwe ukuthi ngaphakathi ngiyakhala like yeah
I can imagine into ukuthi manje masuthi uzophila ngamanzi
yeah
and it deep kakhulu
and ngiphilile ngamanzi hayi iviki siphilile thina ngamanzi siphuza nje amanzi yeah
nabantwana
nabantwana siphuza amanzi nje wonke umuntu endlini aphuza amanzi yeah bengasi like ukuthi mhlambe amalanga amancane no siphilile bekunzima futhi bongakhaleli nje neti
I can imagine into leyo there are certain cases mawuhamba sithi in a community uyabona ukuthi there'll come a time where you find ukuthi endlini e1 yazi since ucimiwe lapha kule ndlu leya I understand ukuthi maybe akunabantu because I've got this thing ukuthi abantu makuba nenkinga vele abanye bazivalela and you find ukuthi lapho they can't afford ukubhadalela sithi electricity usebacimile and I can only imagine like ama situations anjalo when it comes to indawo zama suburb suburb they have their own
things,
and lento ukuthi vele ubu neighborly and we're not saying they're not friendly abanye but le spirit lesubu neighborly asibi as much in suburbs and compared to so I can only imagine in such a case where you know when there's no food esinye story especially if case ukuthi ke abantwana and now babheke kuwe ke ukuthi nakhona iplan umama iplan or ukuphekwa asithi maybe impuphu phela
bebebona nabo bebengeke ukuthi bangathi mama zama bebebona yazi I think uNkulunkulu uyababenza ukuthi bayibone ukuthi lento le iyenzeka we understand iyenzeka yeah iyenzeka
So the worst highlight was when niphuza amanzi.
Yeah.
Ngo-
Siphuza amanzi. Mhlambe bakhona abanye abantu abaphila ngamanzi but nginokuthi mhlambe yimi nje. Mhlambe bakhona abanye ngoba abanye abantu angithi uyazi ukuthi bathatha ukudla emadustbinini. So ayithina besingakucabangi lokho. Mina ukuthi I'm very much health conscious. So at least prefera wona amanzi. Kusho ukuthi wonke umuntu nje endlini bekazicabangela ukuthi ngcono manje ngiphuza amanzi. Yeah, akekho umuntu adetshela umuntu ukuthi hayi uma ulambile phuza amanzi. Yeah, bekungekho ukuthi singacabanga ukuthi mhlambe siye emadustbinini or senzeni. Yeah, besingayicabangi leyo nto leyo.
Hey.
So yeah.
Yeah, I can imagine. But nakhona and not to be insensitive, mara benifasta ngenkani. Khona i-fasting.
Besikufasting.
Uyayazi i-fasting.
Yeah, i-fasting.
When you fast, certain spiritual things tend to happen kubantu abaningi.
Yes, I think uNkulunkulu bekasifake ku-fasting.
I'm curious to know ukuthi kuleyo fasting leyo kwenzakaleni maybe after lapho. Is there something asithi ukuthandaza because there is a belief with more fast vele we are connector at a deeper level or a signal is stronger or
ukuthi nje ngeke ngiyikhuluma ukuthi ngaleyo 10 rand leyo njengoba ngisho ukuthi 10 rand leyo offering yangivulela iminyango ya
bosele nge 10 rand.
Yeah, bengisele nge 10 rand emhlabeni.
And then
10 rand yokugcina ngaye enkonzweni and then nganikela ngayo leyo 10 rand leyo ngoba ayikho into engizoyenza vele nge 10 rand. Akwazi ukuthenga isinkwa, akwazi ukwenzani. Kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu wabheka inhliziyo yami ukuthi ngithatha le 10 rand le yokugcina empilweni yami ngifaka lapha ku offering. That is why khona manje ngiyayima enkonzweni ngikhulume ngayo le ndaba le. I-10 rand iye yashintsha impilo yami.
So what happened uma ufaka leyo 10 rand leyo? Yini ama results?
Kusho
fasting ne 10 rand.
Kusho ukuthi it was true fasting phela le but esingazange siyiplanele. We understand as a family. Ngiye enkonzweni ngifaka le 10 rand. Le 10 rand kwaba yiyona evula izinto empilweni yami nomndeni wami.
Are you able to share ukuthi wavulelani?
No, I can't share. But yiyo engikhona ukuthi ngiye ngayo enkonzweni bangibiza ukuthi ngikhulume ngayo, ngikhulume futhi nange tithing, ukuthembakala kwe tithe. Yeah.
Okay, hi. It's a touching story. I can't imagine 4 strokes.
Yeah, 4 strokes ngisaphila abantu abaningi nje.
I've had a parent owaphathwa i-stroke.
Bayashona
ngayibona. Ngayibona in front of my eyes and it was a similar thing yama blood clots.
Okay.
And beyithusa when it happened because bengibona vele yenzeka in front of my eyes.
Yeah.
So ngiyazi leyo moment leyo it's very scary and iba very I was like it's out of control, out of your control.
Yeah, it's a problem.
Especially if you're watching a parent. Umuntu wazi ukuthi stable and then masaka switch kuba kwenzakala into efana ne stroke. It's very worrisome.
Yeah, nami uqala kwami like njengoba ngishilo ukuthi sokuqala i-stroke sangishaya ngisekhaya ne. And then uma ngiya eSpreadview from Tladi and then ngiya eSpreadview abantwana bami bebengazi because besibafihlele because bengisorted ebusweni bathuka especially lo mncane usiphelele wathuka kakhulu wabuza ukuthi mama kwenze njani wayunje uyabona bengibafihlele ngafuna ukuthi kungaba affect yabo and then no specific naye kwamthusa kakhulu because ukubona ukuthi umuntu omuhle oke wasebenza nase TV and then manje hey sekuyenye into ngoba uba yenye into ngiyithi mina mhlambe kungcono umuntu mashaye i-stroke isandla nenyawo ndani ukuthi ube deformed ebusweni.
Okay, wasebenza TV.
Bengenza i-safe show pick a box imali okanye ibhokisi. Angazobo isikhathi abantu abaningi.
Imali noma ibhokisi?
Bengilapha. Bengenza imali okanye ibhokisi yes.
Ngiyayibona
safe show pick a box yaka Themba Gasa noLunga Williams. Hayi bosesemncane.
But ngiyayibona
I
can hear it background.
Yakudala leyokuqala
unomsanene.
After bekuyimini
presenter. Ngikhumbula my sister umunye umama wentsumpa.
Unomsanene yes waselokhulu wase Orlando East.
Bekana insumpa?
Bekana insumpa.
Ngibona insumpa ngibona i-afro lapho.
Yes.
So wangena after. Or
No,
ungene before?
imi thina siqalile i-Surf Shop Picker Box.
Oh,
Yeah.
as a presenter?
As a
or-
presenter, yes. As a presenter. As
Really?
a assistant presenter, yes.
Oh,
Kuthi kube
okay.
ne-Surf Shop Picker Box yaqalwa yithina.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's
Dala.
very fascinating.
Yeah, kudala.
Okay,
Yes.
so that's why ke uthi
Yes.
mawuphathwa stroke ebusweni, especially
Abantwana
from
bathuka
Ethiopian.
usiphelele wathuka kakhulu.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wathuka kakhulu. Yam-affecta futhi.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So uma sengishawe lezi zinye bese ba-understanda ke ukuthi besibafihlela ngithi ngoba bengibhede njengoba ngisho ukuthi ihlobo lilengela ngaphandle. Yeah, but labuye langena ngaphakathi.
Mm.
Mm.
And it is not caused by ukudla. I just want to add something. Nginokubona
Yes.
in my thinking, I think ever since Snowkhohle sinokuzwe
Oh
ukuthi
yes,
maybe
ithi ngisho ya uqinisile ngiyabonga
Yeah.
ukuthi ungikhumbuze. Lesi sibili stroke masingishaya e-Spruit View. Ngoba ngaya isibhedlela lesi Union Hospital ngalando ye-ambulance.
okay.
And then mangiya e-Union hospital kwatholakala ukuthi ngidle i-tin fish. So angidli namanje i-tin fish because bathi iya-affecta nayo. So yeah, yena ngangiyithanda ke total. So uma ngayidla i-tin fish ngashona. Yeah. Ngiyangeke mhlambe ngishaye i-stroke ngavele ngishona. Yeah. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ungikhumbuze. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I never thought ukuthi because
Yeah.
in my thinking
Ukuthi mhlambe i-stroke sishaye ukudla.
mina a lot of things I blame ukudla.
Yes.
Yabo. There was a time where well, I'm over 40, but then
Yeah.
there was a time where pre-94
Yeah.
izinto ezifana nabo McDonald's
Angikudla ngikwazi angiyazi
ama
nokuthi
fast food.
Angiyazi nokuthi taste kanjani.
Aw,
Angikaze ngayifaka emlonyeni wami.
i-double quarter pounder or i-McFeast.
Angaze i-junk food nje emlonyeni wami
Yeah.
ayingeni angaze ngihlulekile noma mhlambe ngiyaphesheya bathi i-taste yento ethile mhlambe i-KFC ayifani neya se-South Africa angidli junk food angidli. Yeah.
So my thinking is that since izinto ezifana nama-pizza phela bezingekho kangako, there were maybe smaller inner shops here e-town kuphi bayithengisa i-pizza, but ukuthi i-pizza yayigcwale kangaka.
Yes.
Phela after 94 saqala uku-experience izinto ezifana nama-pizza emalokishini maybe amabheka.
Yeah.
Well ama-coke dala khona, but all these things
Yeah.
i-cancer thina besizwa ukuthi
Ngendaba
iphatha
ukuthi,
abelungu or iphatha abantu base-America.
Yes.
But then for some reason after all of that sokuvela izinto ezifana yini lento ephatha amadoda
I-prostate cancer.
ama-prostate cancer.
Yes.
I don't think these things bezikhona, or
Yeah,
maybe
it's
it's
what you
ignorant
eat
before.
sometimes. Ukudla kuya-contribute kakhulu. Kuya-contribute kakhulu ukudla. I-pizza i-healthy, but i-pizza ayibi healthy immediately uthi extra what. Mabazothi extra cheese uthi yes, uthi extra what, and then ayisekho healthy. But uma uyidla according i-menu yakhona, ama-ingredients akhona, i-right. Yeah.
Yeah, mina ngibani umkhaba mangidla ipizza kuphela.
Ukudla kuya-contribute kakhulu ekuguleni kwabantu.
Yeah.
Abantu bayagula because of ukudla lokho abakudlayo. Abantu
I
bayayithanda
think-
kakhulu i-junk food.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
sijabulisa ngokudla
mina
ukudla ukufa angazi ke
Eish, mina ngine-problem ke abantwana bami yiyo abayithandayo.
Yeah, mante endawo sigijimele
Endaweni.
emathuneni ayishop emathuna phela angisiyagijima sithenga ama-pizza and asazi ukuthi azibulala nama-yini kanto lezi kancane.
Yeah.
So it happens ukuthi vele thina as a people I think at some point kumele sithi ukuhlani because nanama-chicken mawubheka nama-chicken wamanje uyabona ukuthi chicken akhona ithambo lakhona linjani. So but I think just to tie it up, I think zonke lezinto lezi izinto eziaffecta
Eziaffectayo nendlela yokupheka. Thola uvulela umlilo omkhulu ukhipha ku-defreezer ufake estofini. Yeah. Kunzima abantu futhi baphathwa i-cancer nendaba lezi ama-microwave. Yeah, ziya-contribute i-radiation.
Abantu mabayenze i-research ke lapho.
Yeah, benza i-research abantu Nkosi yami.
Before we tie it up, because sesongena ku-conclusion. Firstly, I'd like people to subscribe and share. Remember, ngithi sazama ukukhulisa i-channel.
Yes.
We want more people to see the content esiphushayo, and hopefully we are helping out there people who we are able to help. Whoever's watching okhona ukusizeka or okhona ukubona ukuthi khona umuntu onga-benefita from the information maybe that we've heard today in terms of i-stroke and please do share kulo muntu uyabukele le video lena just ukuthi athole more information. And even though asingenanga deep kakhulu in terms of information, but just to sikhe ngaphezulu, but just ukuthi kube naleyo information leyo understand. But also it's that situation eyokuthi a lot of people are suffering out there. Yes, I know we spoke about e-health, but I was touched kakhulu in terms of you're in the suburb, and then there was a case where at some point because of isimo, and everyone, I think people go through isimo, such things, certain situations where kubanzima nje. No family is perfect. Families go through a lot of things, and they tend not to speak. And sometimes you find which they're looking for opportunities out there to alleviate families who are out of poverty and so but I just wanted to say that singangena ku conclusion. Also I plug nakhona ningakhohlwa lapha phansi kunebhena evelayo ekhuluma ukuthi or eshoyo rather ukuthi if you want internet for your home, you can WhatsApp them lapho ba WhatsApp the word internet, and then just find out ukuthi ama package ayahluka, it's all across South Africa, ukuthi connect nasendlini vele abantwana bayangena kuma online homework angithi kuyafundwa online kulamalanga lawo. Nabantu babe busy ngama WhatsApp ukuthi ngikhona futhi ngibukele i-TVC Gauteng. So I just wanted to say that for the number below. Singena ku conclusion.
Inkinga ikhona la kakhulu, sibhekane nenkinga enkulu ezihlukene. Siyazi ukuthi enkulu kakhulu yiyo ipoverty. Ngikhona abantu bangangicontacta amasonto, like abafundisi bangangicontacta ngize enkonzweni zabo sizokwazi ukuthi silwe nale poverty le nempilo futhi. Ningangi-WhatsAppa ngoba ama-phone aya-contributor nako ku-stroke. Abantu abaningi abazi. Because uma uvuka ekuseni fanele umele ingqondo yakho ukuthi ibe relaxed. So-ke mina ngicela ukuthi abantu bangangifoneli, abantu bangi-WhatsAppe kule number le 082 541 4232. Ngiyayiphinda 082 541 4232 ukuthi sibe right sonke. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.